Are you one of those people that like to be prepared and have everything ready for the holidays? I am. I love to have everything done and ready to go and prepared. And that's why I'm starting 2 months early to start my Christmas shopping. Now, I know all the major sales, they start Black Friday, and I'm ready for that this year. But I want to go down to Dollar Tree right now and see what they have, because once they put out the good stuff, it's gone fast. And then by the time a lot of people are ready to start shopping, which is in November sometime, it's gone. I want to hit the stores. I'm going to run down to Dollar Tree. This is a spur of the moment video. I don't know what I'm doing or how it's going to work, but I want to run down there and see what kind of Christmas gifts I can get, or even stocking stuffer stuff. So the first thing you notice when you walk into a Dollar Tree is the Christmas section. It's right there when you walk in. I wasn't looking for decorations or ornaments or anything, but my gosh, did they have a beautiful selection. And I did not buy any of this, but man, I had to walk around and take a video of this because I just thought, I don't know, it just was so beautiful and festive. And maybe if they were playing Christmas music in the store, I might have bought one of these, maybe a couple, because it drew me in. It definitely drew me in. Just the selection and the price to go along with it. You can't beat it. But what a great little section of Christmas ornaments. And I wish I would have noticed that that was a push button LED ornament. I would have pushed it. Dang it. I missed that. I didn't even catch that. But this store had a great selection of ornaments and they were just gorgeous. And I wish I was looking to buy ornaments, but I'm not. Anyways, this is the little boys section, which I just had a ball going through. I have 3 grandchildren, and one of them's a little boy. And this is the first year that he's actually like a little boy, and he wants to play. And so we're going to buy him all the fun little boy stuff. But this I just thought was a great selection of little boy toys, and they can rough them up and throw them and crush them and smash them, and it's all good because it didn't cost you that much. So what a great selection. Get a couple little race cars down that track, and I think they'll love that. So way to pick up a couple. I picked up a couple of those. This section here is the electronics section, and the earbuds caught me, and the light next to it, the rechargeable light on the left, that caught me too, because that looks like the same light that I own, except I got it from Amazon. I know I paid over 10 bucks for it. At Dollar Tree, it's 7 bucks. And you tap it on the back and it has different settings. And I absolutely love it. I use it for crafting a lot. But those earbuds caught my attention. And I don't know how well earbuds are going to work from Dollar Tree, but you never know. So for 5 bucks, might as well try it. I thought these Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse stuffed animals were absolutely perfection and adorable. They were $7, and I just thought, well, if you're going to Disney World, why don't you pick up a couple of these and surprise your kids with them? Because if you go to Disney World, you're going to pay a fortune. These were the notebooks that I found, and I just thought they were just gorgeous, especially the sketchbook, which I use a lot for my painting. It's a thicker paper. For 5 bucks, that was just a really beautiful sketch pad. And I don't know, notebooks always draw me in, so I was fascinated. I loved these planners. This one was a framed one. I believe it was $5. Yeah, just gorgeous. You can hang it on your wall. It's not magnetic on the back or anything. And then the other one was even bigger. And what a nice gift to receive. This book section, I never stop and look at the books. Never. And for some reason I did. And wow, I was like so surprised at their selection. A lot of great beginner reader books. Just wonderful, wonderful books. And these, I just thought, wow, for $1.50, you could throw these into a gift basket or even a giveaway basket if you're going to donate a basket to a benefit, maybe. Throw a couple of those in to create a basket. But I was thinking for a friend's Christmas gift or family members, a couple recipe books. Oh my gosh, you can't beat the price. But they had a great selection. I noticed these cute little crossover body bags. They were made out of like almost like a raincoat material and very lightweight, very thin. But man, can those probably fold up perfectly and be taken on vacation. They had a great supply of lip glosses and chapsticks, and I found myself a little tiny little clutch bag. I thought that was just perfect to throw my phone in and maybe some cash and head out the door. Oh yeah, gotta have your keys in there too. This was a beauty blender holder. So after you wash your beauty blender, you put it in there and it has the airflow to help it dry. I'll tell you what, they had a full line of facial products there. Absolutely a ton. I don't know if any of these work. I have never tried any of these, but for $1.25 each, I'm thinking I should go back and try one. These here would probably make wonderful stocking stuffers. I mean, I'm always having trouble finding perfect little gifts for the man in my life, so he might be getting one of those. I thought these were adorable for $1.25. But man, what a great selection. These were all their face masks. I couldn't even believe it. I really haven't strolled the store like this in a long time. So for me to go up and down all these aisles and just take my time, I really enjoyed it. And they had a lot more than I, gosh, even remember. There was 25 of these wipes in each container. The one that were hand wipes had 40 in them. But I see a pumpkin on that. I think I probably just bought that because I saw a pumpkin on it. You could put those in any kind of gift bag, and I think it would just be perfect. This is the little kids' bath section, which I had a ball in. There were so many different varieties, and grandkids are getting that right there. Let me just tell you, all three of them. Sorry, stepdaughter. But your bathtub is probably going to be a mess after bath time. But what a fun selection. You pick up a couple of those for a child, they are going to be in their glory. Tons of puffs, tons of them. This is what I picked up. A couple books, some of the bath time paints, and a couple of the race cars and a couple tracks. I hope you can hear me. I don't have my microphone on, but I'm in the car. I just got done with Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is still $1.25. I did see some stuff for $1.50, $1.75 and up, but for the most part, a lot of it was $1.25, which I was really excited about. I hadn't been there in a couple weeks, and I wasn't sure if they had switched the prices up or not, but apparently not. I did not buy those cute little body bags, those little purse bags. I thought they were adorable, and I thought they'd make a cute gift for a friend, and I regret not buying them. So maybe I'll go back tomorrow and buy them. But those were only $1.25, those body bags, and they were very lightweight. They were on the, cheaper side, of course. They're $1.25. But I thought they'd be perfect for even taking on a vacation. They were so lightweight. They were like waterproof. They're kind of like a raincoat material. I like them. I would pack those full for my friend. If I was going to give them as a gift, I would have put maybe the body wipes in there, or the makeup wipes, maybe some lip balm. Oh shoot, I was going to look up I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree now has a lip oil that I wanted to look for. I forgot all about that. I would put the lip oil in there, maybe just some fun little things like that, and pack it full. You know, you could easily spend just $5 or $6 on a gift, and they would absolutely love it. So I love Dollar Tree. I just wish their prices would stop going up. But this is exciting, and I know a lot of that stuff is not going to be there in a couple weeks. So if you're a Dollar Tree shopper and you want to start your Christmas shopping, I would definitely advise going now and picking up these items, because they probably are going to go fast and they probably won't come back. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was totally a spur of the moment thought to do this. I don't know, I'm kind of rambling, so I'm going to go, and hopefully you'll join me for the next couple weeks. I'm going to do a lot more Christmas money videos. And if you got anything out of this video at all, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And I'll see you all next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.